Let's see how we can run Python file in Visual Studio Code. Now, if you don't have Python and Visual Studio Code installed, check the first link in the description or click this link on the top right and you will see how you can do the whole process, installing Visual Studio Code, installing Python and all that stuff and running Python projects. If you already have Visual Studio Code and Python installed, let's see how we can proceed. So open your Visual Studio Code and now we will open our Python project. Click on Open Folder and open your Python project. So I just have one file in my project that says Hello Python World from VSCode. Now this is a demo project. Now one way to run this is click on terminal, click on new terminal and just type Python and main.py. But this is not a good way to do it because it's pretty manual. We don't want to write this code whenever we want to run this, right? So what we want to do is click on this extensions here or click Ctrl Shift X and type code runner. Click on this and click install. Now after installing this, you will see this icon, play icon here. Now go back to our project, double click on our Python file and click this play button. And as you can see, it is printed. Now you don't need to type anything, you just click this play button and your Python code is run. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.